What is up, everybody? Sage here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Filmora, the editing portion. There's also a record portion, what I'm using to record right now, but yeah, we're going to do the editing portion, and I have a little sample video of me playing Smite, just a little sample. So you go to import, you can download stuff, or you can import from a camera, phone, media folder, or file, and you just do file, and then you go to like vids here, and there's the Smite video here, and you just click that, open, and then it would come up down here, and then, or you can drag and it'd come up right here, and you click the add button and it'd be added to this project. What I recorded this with, I recorded with something and it records upside down, so I just have to go. So what you do is you right click it, or make sure it's selected, because that red means it's selected. You right click it, go to edit, and go right here, flip vertically, and it'll go the same. You can also do it like that, or you can go sideways where it's the opposite way, but I do it normal. Then there's the speed, which we will mess around with later. Okay, so now that you got this, we are going to go to, let's say we want to add some text. You see me add these at the end of my videos. We'll go to the one that I usually use. It's all the way towards the bottom. Right here. It's this one. As you guys usually see. And it'll pop up down to the text. You just hover over it and you click add. And then you can you edit it here. You know, drag stuff. So we'll just put in my normal saying towards the end of the video. We'll just put peace. You know, just like make it giant right over the top. But instead of putting it there, well, didn't want to do that. It is the smallest thing now. Well, I just messed that up. Now it's like a little tiny dot. Well, I messed that up. Well, we'll add it again. But instead of adding it right there, we'll add it at the end. This is just like, you can also use this to drag, and you make this smaller by, okay, so you hover over this to move it. You have to hover over this, but you hover above the thing without hovering over this to make it smaller or giant, and you can see every single frame. Nope, we're gonna make it even bigger. There we go. But we go to the end, and we'll add it. I usually add it like right there, as you guys know. But click add again, and we'll make it right there. And what you do to do that, since it went like way out here, you see this? You gotta go over and make sure you gotta go to the edge of it right there. Make sure you're on the edge. So you can't be like a little bit off. You have to be on the edge. You left click, and then you drag with it. It'll come with it, and it has little boxes for you, like the end of a video, or if I whoops, why did it go to the start? Anyway, if you split it, which I'll show you in a second how to do, you just it'll show that little line as well. But now that you know that, you right click it like so and click edit, and then it'll be here, and we'll go backspace, and we'll do peace, and we'll do the style that I usually do, or that I think I think I used this in one of my videos. I can't click it. Why not? Whatever. We'll choose just these are the colors. You can click more colors, but I'll just do, whoops, that's my phone. Hello? And we're back, everybody. Sorry about that. Somebody called me and I just need to get it. But yeah, so you just drag it around and right click it, or not right click it, you just drag it around just like normal, just like you're adding some text any other where. But we'll just keep going with that, but we'll click a color and we'll do like a yellow. Wait, why did it just do that? That color, whatever, we'll just do it that color as well. And we'll drag it over, we'll click behind it and make sure it's all the way backspaced. Why does it look weird? Anyway, we'll just, it'll have lines when you try and, so you make sure you're on that line if you want to center it, and then like that, and I'll just have like that. And then what I usually do when I'm finished with that, select type chart, okay, and let's go back to edit, and we'll make it a little, we'll make it 105. That's quite big, so we'll just make it smaller like this. Nope, don't want to highlight it. We'll just like this and make sure it's centered like that. See, and then what I usually do when I'm done, I don't watch it all. I go like this. I go a little bit back, and I watch it, and it comes up like that, which is good. I just want to watch it and make sure it's centered and perfectly good. But you just go back and say you want to add, say you want to split something. Sorry, I didn't do this. You don't right click it, you click it, and you can either right click it and click split, or if you want to go right where this line is, you can click the split button right here, and then you just go to another spot. Say we want to cut out this part right here. Click cut, and then you right click it and click delete. Yep, it deleted it, and now we watch it again.
It's fine. I'll put the...
See, and then it goes like that. And so then all we have to do is if you want to mute the video, like say you're having some cool intense speed build like I do, you click mute, and then it'll have a little checkbox, and then you go to edit, and you want to edit the speed of it. You either make it super slow-mo, or you make it super fast, and then it will play like this. Hopefully it works. Just let the frames load. There we go. And I'll just go super fast. But when it's laggy like this, this will not affect the end product. It's just hard with loading everything like that. So yeah. And then you can also add, say you want to blur something out. You go to so you go to Power Tool, you go to Mosaic, click Add, click Apply Mosaic to the clip, and click Add, and then you like size it the way you want, move it. Say you don't want to have this girl in there. I don't know. Just make it right there. Make it as long. Make sure you size it in case you cut anybody else's off. Oh, too far. Just like that, and then you click, and you can also make it like nothing, or you can make it full where you can't see it at all. You can barely see it. We'll just make it 27%, and then you click face off, and you just click something. It won't find faces because it has to be like a picture, but yeah. And then we go, say you want to, we go through here, just audio detach. If you click that, it'll just detach it. This thing isn't entirely selected, but then you just click, then all you have to do is you drag the audio back up, I think. Nope. Then it's just, you don't drag it up, you just drag it through like you want it, and you don't have to split the entire video, you can just split the audio. And audio enhance, I'm just like clicking random things. You know, cut, undo, just your normal stuff. And then you can, let's see, filters. You can add these little colorful filter things. I never add them. If I click add, see it adds like a purple thingy to it. This is like for slideshows or anything. See, you're in it and it's like purple. But I'll just right click and delete that. And you say you want to add music now. Music, and this is all music they give you. But I go to my music and I go to import, but we'll just use a random song. we'll use Falcon. We'll just click add, and then we can delete that audio. We don't need it anymore. You can select it, and then you can go like that. Wait, okay, there we go. And say you want, there's a cut in the video, or there's not a cut in the video. There's a little part of the video that you want it started from. So you make sure you split it, and say you want to add the music right here, or start it right there. Then you just left click and drag it to where the cut is, and drop, and it'll start there. And say you want to end it, make sure you're on the audio, not in the video. You're on the audio, and you go towards the end, or you go a little bit off, and then you go to split right where that is, and you delete that part. And see how it's a little bit, you go like this, and you're on it, like on the edge, like I showed you with this, trying to make it shorter. You go on it, and then you go to the edge, and it'll be right there where the thing is, and that's the end of the video, and it'll just cut straight off. And just like that. And so we go through, looks pretty cool, right? That's where the blurred thing is. And then there's add text. I already showed you that. Elements, just little things that pop up. And here's how you add a picture, okay? This is how you add a picture. So you open a file. We'll just go to pictures. We go to my phone pics, and we'll just go right here. We'll just say we want to add this picture. No. You make sure you have it, and you drag it down. Make sure it's on this and not on the timeline where the video is. It has to be on the elements portion, and it should. It should go up, maybe. And we're back. Sorry about that. Filmora crashed because I'm running recording and trying to edit at the same time, so it doesn't crash often. But anyways, yeah, that's a little tutorial, and just let's try and add that picture again because it crashed. Let's delete a lot of this stuff so it doesn't crash like last time. But once again, you go to you just click your files. And you go to phone pics. I guess we'll just go here. We'll try and, where'd that pic? Here it is. Alright, I don't want to open it, sorry. No. I want to go like this and make sure it's on the elements thing. Load this, no. I didn't want it there. We'll try and add it again. There we go. I think you have to add it to that and then add it. So then we go to delete. And since I did it with my phone, I have to go to edit. Or no. I have to go to advanced edit maybe. Maybe. Effects. Maybe. It's different to flip it than it is normal. So we'll just, okay. It's so hard. It is so very much hard. No, but it's just, yeah, here it is. I'm dumb. You edit it on the film thing, and then you make sure you're on the edge of, so this is how you move it. You're in the middle where it says move. You're moving it. You enlarge it just like text, and then to twist it, you have to be on the edge of the little move thing. So you have to be on the edge of that circle, and then you move it. You twist it like that, and just like that. It'll be on the picture. So you just want to add a picture like that, and you click play. Hopefully it works. Please don't crash. And it's going. And then the picture will be on right there. There. See the picture comes in? Just like that. And then that's how you add a picture. And then transitions, it's easier to do transitions when you go over here to the left here, or not the, yeah, the right, sorry, not the left. There's two views. This is the timeline view, like this, and if you go to the storyboard, these things in the middle are transitions, and where it won't come up as transitions. So say I go over here and I'm on here, it won't fly to transitions. You have to click transitions. Transitions. There we go. And see, then all you have to do, we'll just pick a random transition, fade, and you just click, you drag it, and you have to be on this thing. Right there, and it should add the transition, and you go back, and it should click, when you click play, it should fade. See, it fades, and then you go, and then it'll come back. Sorry it's taking, because I'm doing the same thing. Once again, it will not affect your end product. And then, I'm not going to show you split screen because I don't know a lot about it. But then you click export, if you want to export this. And you just, there's different formats. And if you go, you can click a device, you can do a format, Facebook, Vimeo, DVD. How I do it is I do it from YouTube, of course. Click YouTube. And it should come up. And we're back. Once again, it crashed. Once again, it does not do that. I am recording with it and editing. That is not a good thing to do. So, that is basically it, everybody. I'm going to flash a picture right now of my new mouse pad. And I got it today, and it looks really cool. It has like a blue wolf on it, as you guys can see. And I'll see you guys next time, and peace.